Hey guys, welcome back to another um YouTube video. Today I'll just get right into it for my trade journal. I took 3 trades today, 2 in my funded account, 1 in my eval. I actually was recording a video right now, and I saw a trade, and I explained what I saw. And yeah, cause it just happened. I was recording the video. But let's get to the first trade I took in the morning. Something somewhere like around right here. So the first trade I took in the morning. So I had a level right here marked out. I should maybe delete all this because I'm actually done for the day. So I had this box marked out that lined up with a volume profile, and it lined up with delta volume profile, and it lined up with the buyers. Like there was like a lot of buying pressure there. So I see we come in, we tap into my level, and we displace from it. And I entered on this candle on displacement. So I didn't enter on displacement, but I saw buyers were entering. Because as soon as I saw buyers entered, I entered. So I entered like right here. I entered right here. My take profit was right here. It was like, I think it was like 1200. And price, it made this huge wick all the way wick up. So I put my stops to break even. And then I went up here, and then price came back, took me out. And then I was like, damn. So then I see more buyers are stepping in. So then I took another long with my stops under the buyers. So my stops were like right here. And I targeted the 50% fair value gap. And I think it was like a low volume node right there too. I just targeted that to make 709. So what could I have done better? I think obviously not moving my stops as fast to break even. Because if I'm looking at it, if I'm looking at it, I am losing a lot of profit. You know, that first trade was supposed to be, I had a way better entry, $1,100 win compared to a $700 win. And it's not that, I'm ungrateful for the win. I'm super grateful for it. But it was like the same thing again. I want to build this consistency of like me hitting my trades without like, me having these like these mistakes, because these mistakes can cost me. Because how many times can I possibly get break even? Because what happens next time if I get break even and I think buyers are entering it and I enter and I get absorbed with them, and then I lose more points, I lose more money than me just taking the risk, putting my stops where they go, and just taking it all the way up there. So same thing again, same thing for the past 3 videos, accepting the risk until I do it right, or it's just that'll be the better way to do it. I'm missing out on money like this. I did take a FOMC trade yesterday. I might as well mark, but it marked out with one of my levels. I don't know. I don't even remember where it was. Yeah, it was. I just don't remember what it was. I don't want to even lie to nobody saying like I took this, but I did take an FOMC trade, and I did one $900 off that one. That's why my account balance is pretty high, so you can see it's almost at 3K already. I think when I got my pay, I went down to 1,400, and then I won 900, and then I won today. So that's that. And then the trade I just took right now is actually, I bought a Tradify eval, and the only reason I bought it is because I was trading on Motorwave today, but I was trading on Motorwave. Oh no way, my level got deleted. That's unfortunate, but it lined up right here perfectly, somewhere right here. But I had Motorwave, and then it kind of glitched out, so I closed it and then opened it, and then like, it said because I had an Apex account and I blew it. I blew it like I think on the second day, but I've been using this Motorwave platform for like a week, so I had the account blown, but I just had it as I had the account blown, but I just had it as for it to give me access to Motorwave pretty much. But I had this level marked out. It lined up with the high volume node, and it was some pressures. It was a place. So actually, let's do it right now. Might as well. So if you look at the 15-minute, Monday. All right. Sorry, that's my mom. But high volume node right here, and then we do the delta to right here, and then move it to mid. Apply. So as we can see, there's buying pressure here, a lot of buying pressure here, lined up with the high volume node. And there were sellers right here. I mean buyers. So this for me, this is like a super good area. We jumped onto the 1 minute. What do we see here? 50 buyers, 50 sellers entering, 99 sellers entering. And what's the next candle? Displacement to the upside. Super clear, super obvious. And then super clear, super obvious. And then I can log in to show the P&L on it right now, but I don't want to like leak my information. But I have my stops right here. I caught 40% consistency rule on the eval, so I can only cash 1,200. So yeah, I'm super happy with that. That was a pretty good trade. Cannot complain. So that's it for today. I just have to learn how to accept the risk, putting my stop losses. This time I did put my stop loss where it went, but the problem is I breaked even too fast, and it's because I'm on this account that I want to win and everything. So thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys learned something new from it. This strategy, I've been just taking it slow and simple. All I have to do is mark at a key level, see these big trades coming in. If these sellers are getting rewarded, or if they're not, I can just enter off that. I've really been liking how I've been trading. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and that's it.